Hello guys, welcome. In this playlist we will develop the Ant programming language. The Ant programming language is a interpreted language. It is multi-paradigm. It has imperative paradigm and oriented objects programming. Also it's dynamically and strongly typed. So it enforces the type rules. Also it's based on some emulator virtual machine that execute the bytecode or the portable code, and also it's a garbage collector machine. It has a garbage collector that automatically manage memory. So as you see here, we have the Ant pipeline, we have the source code, and we have the compiler that read the source code, and then it generates some bytecode, and the bytecode will be executed by the virtual machine. So the bytecode is it's a intermediate representation. So as you see here, this is the part of the compile time. We have the compiler, and also in the part of the runtime we have the virtual machine or the emulator that will run this bytecode. So the compiler will read the source code and it will tokenize it. It generates some tokens, and also it will parse it to check the syntax of the language, and it will report if there is any error at compile time. And also this bytecode, it's an intermediate representation that executed by the virtual machine. It's like another code that the only Ant virtual machine knows how to execute. So I will jump to the code to show you the result, and as you see, this is the all things that we will develop in this playlist. So first of all, I will show you a sample of the Ant language. So as you see here, as I said, it's a multi-paradigm language. Let's see, we have a printing to print a message, and also I have a class person that has the constructor and a method called ring, and we have the subclass that inherits from the superclass, the subclass called Ant developer, and we symbolize the inheritance by this symbol. So we have the method ring, and it will call the method by the method in the superclass by using the super keyword, and also I will print that. So as you see here, we have an instantiation of object, the object Ant develop, and I will pass the name of the person and its age, and then I will print the name of that developer, and I will call or invoke the method ring. So let's execute the interpreter of that language on the symbol.ant. So as you see, the execution is a lowered from Ant programming language. My name is the dev, drinking coffee while coding. So this is what we will expect, guys, in this playlist. So I've mentioned the virtual machine, and also I mentioned the garbage collector. So I will go to a file to enable the debugging to see the bytecode, and also I will also able to see the runtime and also the code of the bytecode. So let's rebuild the project. So everything is good, and so I will run the same command on the sample. So as you see, this is the bytecode. As you see, the function init drink, this is the bytecode, really the bytecode. As you see, op const something, get local, add, print, nil, return, and for every function it's up, and the whole script, this is the whole script bytecode. As you see, we have all this we will develop in this language. So for the part of the runtime, you see we have a stack, because a stack-based language that uses the VM to interpret this, and the VM is based on some stack to interpret every bytecode in every instruction in the bytecode. So as you see, this is the result. So let's go and able excuse me, so let's go to command.h and let's disable the bytecode so we can't see that bytecode. So I will activate the log of the garbage collector, and you will see I will rebuild the project, everything is good, and I will run. So as you see, the garbage collector is running with the execution of the script. So as you see, the garbage collector began, it collected 0 and so on and so on. It blackens some objects, you will understand that later, and also if it will free some memory. So at the end you will see that we have freed all the memory. So that's it, guys. So enjoy this playlist, bear with me until the end. You will really enjoy, and we will build a whole programming language. So bear with me, guys.